this is how we jive for mass communication. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can boot from booting option to your MSI notebook. Could be MSI Bravo, Alpha, or any other version. For example, I'm in my Windows option. So I want to boot from booting option. I want to boot from a pen drive, for example. So you have to insert the pen drive to your computer. You can see I'm doing that, very easy. Insert that one, here we go. Now you have to restart your computer, or start where you are. You can start or restart is the same. I hit restart my computer. The machine is restarting. Prepare for F11 key. Here is F11. When the machine shut down, you have to hit F11. Okay, now machine, when you see the logo of MSI, hit F11 continuously. You see, so easy. Just hit F11 continuously. You reach this option. So you can decide which one you want to boot from. If you want to fast Windows installation, you have to have Windows to a USB or flash drive. In my case, this is not a bootable flash drive, so that's why it's not getting. So what I will do, I will bring a bootable flash drive. In this, I have Windows 10. This is a bootable flash drive. I insert this one in my place of flash drive. And what I will do, I hit the power button to shut it down. Now let me show you. Hit the power button and wait for the logo of MSI, and you have to hit F11. Now hit F11. You see continuously. You see I have different booting option now. UEFI option, then window booting, that is a hard drive. That I have window there. After, you see the last one, Kingston Data Traveler. So this is my flash drive with window. Here we go, this one. So this is very easy tutorial. If you want to do Windows installation, you can go forward, hit that one and go to the Windows installation. That is very easy and simple. For example, I hit the enter button and let's see. A fresh window installation. It's taking a little bit time. It's loading. And you see I'm at the place of install a new window. I have a video, so you can check that, how to install brand new Windows to your MSI or ROG stick notebook. Okay, it's very simple tutorial. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.